guys, I did a little filming to show you guys how to measure the pigs and whatnot, and for some reason, I don't know if I didn't hit the button right or what, whenever I did my introduction, it is not there. I went to go edit the video and it was gone. So this is your introduction. Today, on this vlog, you will see how we measure the pigs and how you calculate the weight by the measurements so you can get a live weight of the pig. It's approximate, it's not exact, but it's pretty close. And then I am also going to introduce you to our newest farm friend, Howler. He is a 3.5-year-old Great Pyrenees. We just brought him home this week, and he is going to be running loose once he gets used to us. He has never been off of his farm before. We got him from a friend of ours that we'd gotten a Great Pyrenees from in the past, and unfortunately that Great Pyrenees had passed away on us, and he felt horrible about it, and he treated us right. And it wasn't even his fault. I just let him know, hey, this happened to the dog. And he made it right, even though it wasn't his place to. He didn't have to do anything by us, but he did anyway. So here is the vlog. Now that you've got an introduction, you know what's going to happen today.
Okay.
Alright, to measure these pigs, you're going to want a flexible tape measure of some sort. They're a little grouchy over feed, whenever they've got all the slots on the other side that are open. So, you want to go around them, right behind their front leg. Quit trying to bite me! Right behind their front legs, like so. We're going to call that 40 inches around. So that's the girth. Like I said, we're only going to do this with one of them and get an average for the rest of them because she's the easiest one to get.
The boys don't care to be messed with too much.
40 inches girth. And then for your next measurement, you want to go basically at the base of the skull down to the tail. There to about there. Do about 91 inches long.
Was that inches or centimeters?
No, I didn't look at that. I gotta redo that. We're on centimeters. That did sound awfully long. It didn't even dawn on me. So we got 37 inches long. Let me double check this. Yeah, 40 inches. So 37 inches long, 40 inches in girth. Put that back in my pocket so I don't lose it. Alright, next measurement. If you're afraid of getting dirty, for one, I don't know how you're homesteading to begin with. The pigs are definitely not for you. As you can see, we got... And it's frozen in here, but they still break through and get in the mud. And that's just the way pigs are. 37 inches long. Okay, I will get that, where we get back inside, I will show you guys how to calculate that, and you can get an average weight. And I know that he's shorter, but he's probably going to weigh just as much as her. He's stouter. He might weigh a little less, but not by much. So Chamelle's working on her math homework from school, and I'm working on our math homework for the farm. So to get this, the formula is the girth. They call that the heart girth because that's approximately where we measured it, right behind the front legs. So you got your heart girth. You want to square that, times that answer by the length, and then divide by 400. Okay, so we take 40 inches, which is our heart girth, times that together. That's 1,600. And we're going to multiply that by 37. 0, 0, 2, 4, 11. 0, 0, 0. And 18. 4. 0, 0, 2, 9, 5. So we got 59,200. We're going to divide that by 400. Should be 1, 400, 9, 192, 0. 8. So our pigs are about 150 pounds. They still need to gain about another 100 pounds before I'm going to be ready to take them to market. So we've got fresh pork and freezer for our kids. That is approximately how we measure the pigs to get the weight. I will post the formula on our page, or on our... I will post the formula in the description to use. It's simple, it's not that hard. Alright folks, here I am over at the trailer. I'm working on chores right now. And this big old handsome fella right here, this is Howler. Hey buddy, hey Howler, here you go. Want your milk bone? Oh yeah. Come here, Howler, come here. He's kind of skittish over a lot of things. So we're trying to work on overcoming that. Come here, Howler. Come here, buddy. Come here, Howler. Come here. See, there we go. There we go. He's a big old beaut. Hey, buddy. Right there. I don't think it'll take no time, and he'll be fine for us. Yeah. Be able to run loose, protect everything from one end of the property to the other. The pigs, the rabbits. We've never had a problem yet, but I want to prevent a problem from occurring. The chickens, whenever they're out here, Lakota can't get to them out here to protect them. So that's what he's for, because we can't let Lakota loose. She likes to roam too bad. And unfortunately, that's just not an option for us. I'd love to let her loose, love to let her roam, but there's too many people around these parts. So I'm going to hop off here. I hope that I was able to teach something valuable today to some of you. Some of you probably already know that little trick. So I'm going to get off of here and wait on that warmer weather still, so we can actually get out here and do some stuff with you guys and have some fun this summer. I can't wait. I like working outside. I like building up this homestead, and that's what I'm ready to do. I'm tired of this cold weather stuff. So you guys have a good week ahead of you, and I will see you guys again soon, I hope, depending on what time allows for, and I will talk to you all later. Thank you. God bless.